Hi everyone, Brett and Nav from Morgan's Financial. Welcome to another vlog. Today we're actually going to discuss issues that we've seen in and around the markets, and one of those is an issue in respect to cycles. We see it in investments in the stock market, but more predominantly we've actually seen it more in respect to housing. And Nav, you saw an interesting program on the 7:30 report last night that touched on this.
Brett, it was definitely sobering viewing. I mean, the reality is the Australian housing market has had a 25-year unstoppable run, a bull market run, and it was really worrying. I mean, in terms of some of the aspects, and it sort of reminds you of that cycles come and go, and we're probably overdue for a correction. As to when that will happen, anyone's guess is as good as anyone else's. But some of the stats, debt to income ratios, you're talking, now of sort of 7 to 8 times. The domestic banks probably have 60% of their books exposed to the housing market here. Hong Kong, for example, which has had a pretty spectacular rise, the banks only have roughly about a 15% exposure to the Hong Kong market. I'm talking the Hong Kong domestic banks. Some of the other things, if you look at, say, the levels of gearing, they're astronomical. I mean, there were some examples of people having, 75%, 80% gearing, and you think about the sensitivities of rates. I mean, you're talking rates at historical low levels, you're talking growth which is okayish, and unemployment levels which are fairly low by historical standards. So this is as good as it's going to get at this stage from a housing perspective.
I think the key is to ensure that you have the appropriate strategy, which can be for either your share portfolio or for any housing investment you have. Secondly, to ensure that you're actually managing that risk. If, for example, there's an interest rate change, how does that affect your cash flow? So if you or anyone else is affected by this, feel free to give us a call and we'll be able to assist you with it.